Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Bill4Time receipt upload. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of uploading receipts to Bill4Time, highlighting key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to ensure a seamless and efficient experience. First, it is essential to understand the importance of receipt upload in Bill4Time. Receipts serve as proof of expenses and are crucial for accurate expense tracking, invoicing, and reimbursement. To upload receipts, navigate to the Expenses section in Bill4Time and select the Upload Receipts option. When preparing receipts for upload, ensure they are clear, legible, and in a supported file format such as PDF, JPEG, or PNG. It is also recommended to save receipts in a designated folder on your computer for easy access. To upload receipts, select the file or files you wish to upload and choose the corresponding expense category. You can also add a description and date to each receipt for better organization and tracking. Best practices for Bill4Time receipt upload include uploading receipts regularly to avoid delays in expense reporting and reimbursement. It is also crucial to verify receipt details, such as dates and amounts, to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. Additionally, consider implementing a standardized naming convention for receipts to facilitate easy identification and retrieval. This can include using a combination of dates, expense categories, and descriptions. In conclusion, uploading receipts to Bill4Time is a straightforward process that can be optimized by following best practices such as regular uploads, verification of receipt details, and standardized naming conventions. By implementing these strategies, you can streamline your expense tracking and invoicing processes, reducing errors and increasing productivity.